What is psychology? Psychology is the scientific study of the mind and behavior. It helps us understand how people think, feel, and act in various situations. The word psychology comes from the Greek words psyche, meaning soul or mind, and logos, meaning study. Essentially, psychology is the study of the human mind and its processes. Every day, we experience different emotions, make decisions, and interact with others. Have you ever wondered why you feel happy one moment and anxious the next? Or why some people are shy while others are outgoing? Psychology provides answers to these questions. It explores how our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors are connected. Why is psychology important? Psychology plays a vital role in our personal and professional lives. Here's why it matters for students, employees, and everyone else. For students. 1. Psychology helps students understand how they learn best. 1. Techniques like active recall and spaced repetition are based on psychological principles. 2. It teaches ways to manage exam stress, build resilience, and stay motivated. 3. Understanding emotions through psychology helps students handle peer pressure and build positive relationships. For employees. 1. In workplaces, psychology helps improve productivity and job satisfaction. 2. It provides tools to manage stress, communicate effectively, and resolve conflicts. 3. Managers use psychological insights to motivate their teams, understand group dynamics, and build a positive work environment. For everyone. 1. Psychology helps people understand their emotions and reactions. 1. For example, it explains why we feel nervous before a presentation or why kindness makes us happy. 2. It offers strategies for managing emotions like anger, fear, or sadness. 3. It improves relationships by teaching empathy and active listening. How do psychologists study the mind? Psychologists rely on scientific methods to study how people think, feel, and behave. Here are some of the main methods they use. Observations. 1. Psychologists observe people in natural or controlled settings to understand behavior. 1. For example, they might study how children interact with others in a playground. Experiments. 1. Experiments help psychologists test hypotheses. 1. For instance, a psychologist might study whether listening to music improves focus during work. Surveys. 1. Surveys involve asking questions to gather information about thoughts, emotions, or behaviors. 1. For example, companies use surveys to measure employee satisfaction. Case studies. 1. Case studies involve a detailed examination of an individual or group. 1. These are often used to understand rare conditions, like unique memory abilities or psychological disorders. Brain imaging. 1. Techniques like MRI and EEG allow psychologists to study brain activity. 1. This helps them understand how different parts of the brain are involved in learning, memory, and emotions. Applications of psychology in daily life. Psychology is not just for researchers or therapists, it's useful for everyone. Here's how it applies to different groups. For students. 1. Improving study habits. Psychology teaches how memory works, making techniques like spaced repetition and mnemonics more effective. 2. Managing exam stress. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques can help reduce anxiety before exams. 3. Building confidence. Positive self-talk and visualization techniques, grounded in psychology, boost confidence. For employees. 1. Enhancing productivity. Understanding motivation helps employees set achievable goals and stay focused. 2. Managing stress. Techniques like mindfulness and time management reduce workplace burnout. 3. Improving communication. Emotional intelligence, an important part of psychology, helps employees communicate better and resolve conflicts. 4. Leadership skills. Managers can use psychological principles to inspire and lead their teams effectively. For parents. 1. Parenting techniques. Psychology provides insights into child development, helping parents raise emotionally healthy children. 2. Behavior management. It helps parents understand why children behave a certain way and how to respond appropriately. For everyone. 1. Understanding emotions. Psychology helps you understand why you feel a certain way and how to regulate emotions. 2. Improving relationships. Skills like active listening, empathy, and conflict resolution stem from psychological research. 3. Decision-making. Understanding cognitive biases, like the tendency to focus on negative outcomes, helps people make better decisions. Examples in action. Yawning example. When you see someone yawn and feel like yawning too, it's because of mirror neurons. These neurons help us empathize and connect with others. Workplace example. Imagine you're part of a team struggling with communication. By applying psychological techniques like active listening, team members can express themselves better and avoid misunderstandings. Student example. A student feeling overwhelmed by exams can use relaxation techniques like deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation, which psychology recommends to reduce stress. Conclusion. Psychology is everywhere in our lives. It helps us understand how we think, feel, and act, making it easier to navigate challenges and improve well-being. Whether you're a student wanting to perform better in studies, an employee seeking work-life balance, or someone looking to build stronger relationships, psychology has something valuable to offer. By learning about it, we can unlock the secrets of the mind and use them to lead happier, more fulfilling lives.